Hello everybody, what's up, what's going on? I am going to change the hind brake pads and the hind brake rotors. The vehicle is Ford Tourneo Connect. It is a van manufactured in 2006. The thing is that I am the driver of this vehicle and now I am being its mechanic. And I am sorry to say, but things with the hind brakes have gone too far. I should have changed the hind pads and the hind rotors much earlier. I waited too long and things have gone too far. I have already taken a look at the right hind brake, and guys, there should be 2 brake pads, and I have always replaced 2 brake pads on each side. 2 brake pads on the right side, 2 brake pads on the left side. Now I'm going to change only 3 brake pads. There is only 1 brake pad on the right side. The other brake pad has gone. It is not there anymore. I lost it somewhere on the road, and I even know when and where, because I felt that something was going on. I felt a jerk. Then the vehicle was braking without me engaging the brake. I was driving, but it was slowing down with the brake, with the right brake. I heard that sound, metal on metal, that scratching sound when metal scratches metal. That slowing down was continuing for probably a minute, and then the brake released. What was going on? The outer brake pad was so thin, it was just a metal plate, and it was getting thinner and thinner, and finally it got so thin that it squeezed out of there. It squeezed out of the caliper. It is not there anymore. It dropped on the road. It dropped out of the vehicle. You'll see it yourself. I'll show it to you. And another thing is that the brake lights are not working anymore. They worked today before I adjusted the position of the vehicle here in the garage for the repairs. They worked, but they worked strangely. I was not touching the brake pedal, and the lights, I saw it in the mirror because it is dark enough here. I saw the lights in the mirror. I was not touching the brake pedal, and the brake lights turned on. Then they turned off. Then I pressed the brake pedal, the lights turned on, and then they were gone. Now they don't turn on anymore. Alright, I am afraid that there might be a major failure of the brake system on the right hind side. Still, there is a hope that probably replacing the rotor, and I wish I could say that I'm going to replace the brake pads, but I'm going to replace only 1 brake pad, and I'm going to install the other brake pad there on the right hind side, because there is only 1 brake pad now there. Alright, let's go and see. Let's go and see. This is the spot where the jack should be placed, but not anymore. I don't do it anymore because, you see, it bends. It bends. The vehicle is so old and rusty, so I have to do it there. Yeah, here. Just a moment, this thing will be useful. Is it okay? I guess. Alright. And a couple of bricks. Maybe just one will be enough. A little higher. And we put the brick. It's not enough. Higher. And the brick is there. Nice. And now I will release it a little. Yeah, like this. I think it is secured now. I forgot to turn them, but they are not tight. It's okay. Metal dust is here. No wonder. Alright, this is what I was talking about. See, there is no pad. There is no pad. There is no brake pad here, guys. The brake pad is here inside, but there is no outer brake pad. So the rotor is extremely thin. There is no outer brake pad. The inner brake pad is probably okay, just you don't see it. And what is very bad is that the caliper is scratching the rotor. It is scratching it, you see? It is scratching it. How do you like it? Alright, let's remove those strings from here. So guys, I got new pads here, and I got new rotors here. Show them. Yeah, it says brake discs. They are brake rotors. They are not genuine Ford. They are BSG. I guess BSG. It is BSG. BSG. I don't know about the rotors, but I had negative experience with BSG. BSG, it is the fan, a radiator fan, and it was of very poor quality. It didn't last long. It lasted just for a couple of months probably. I hope the rotors will be better. Alright, so let's do it. I hope the brake liquid is not leaking. I don't see it leak. Dust. Alright. Can't remove it. It is stuck. Get some WD-40 for this. But it will not work there. I'm sure of this. Let's go and spray it a little here, but it will not work. I know. Because it happened before. This is not a genuine cup. There is another cup there inside of this tube. Got to get it out. Here, got it. Hey, since it is the hind brake, we need to release the brake cable. Let's do it.